Tired of pump anxiety or confusing gas station payment options? Let's master using your debit card at the gas station, ensuring a smooth transaction every time. First, locate the card slot on the pump. It's usually near the credit card reader. Make sure your debit card has a chip €. That's the little metallic square €, and it's the most secure way to pay. Insert your card chip first, just like you would at a store. Keep it in until the pump prompts you to remove it. Don't swipe unless it specifically asks for it, as chip transactions are generally safer. Next, you'll likely see a prompt asking you to select your payment type. Choose debit. This is crucial for accessing your bank account directly. You'll then be asked to enter your personal identification number, or PIN. This is the same secret code you use for ATMs. Type it in on the keypad carefully, shielding the screen with your other hand to prevent anyone from seeing it. Be aware that gas stations often place a pre-authorization hold on your account, typically around $75,150. This is just a temporary hold to ensure you have sufficient funds and will be adjusted to your actual purchase amount shortly after. After your PIN, you'll select your desired fuel grade: €, regular, mid-grade, or premium. Follow the on-screen instructions to select the correct pump and start fueling. Once you've finished fueling, remove your debit card. You'll then be prompted to select whether you want a receipt and whether you want it printed or emailed. Always grab your receipt and check your banking app a bit later to confirm the correct amount has been charged. This helps you monitor your spending and spot any discrepancies quickly. And remember, never share your PIN with anyone. If a gas station employee asks for your PIN, politely decline. Stick to using the pump's keypad yourself for maximum security. By following these simple steps, you'll be using your debit card at the gas station with confidence and security, avoiding those frustrating decline transactions. Happy fueling!